That is so good. Hey there, and welcome into TaylorKitchen, where we show very busy people how to make very delicious food in very little time. And today, it's a super decadent, delicious, silky chocolate dessert that's dairy-free, and it's actually good for you. And it's a healthy chocolate mousse. And let me show you how I'm gonna start with an avocado. Now, this is an adaptation of a recipe from my friend Chris Foy's healthy chocolate ice cream. You can actually freeze this too, and it can be a healthy chocolate ice cream. I've eaten it both as a mousse and as an ice cream, and either way, it is so delicious. And Chef Chris's recipe starts with a potato. I'm gonna use an avocado instead. I find that it works really nicely, and I'm not having to cook a potato. But Chef Chris is from Brazil. She's loads of fun. She has all these great healthy recipes for us. And if you follow her at Pure Palate, you'll get a lot of good content too, because she's putting out some cool stuff. All I do is I pit my avocado and I just squeeze it in there. There's no need to scoop it out of the skin because it'll squeeze out really nicely for you. A can of full fat coconut milk. Make sure it's full fat and make sure it's unsweetened. Now I'm gonna hop back to the avocado because avocados are super healthy for you. They're actually high in fiber. You wouldn't think so because it's such a creamy fruit, but super high in fiber, and it's a good MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid, which is the healthy fat, the kind that supports our blood vessels and our skin and all those things. And then I have a cup of dark chocolate chips that I've melted in the microwave for 60 seconds. And the darker, the better, because that way you won't have unnecessary sugars in this. I'm not gonna add any sugar whatsoever. The only sweetness is gonna come from whatever chocolate you're using. So I like to keep this really intensely dark. And so I'm using, I think these are like 72%. You can use, I like to use more like 85, but 72 is gonna do me for now. And then this is raw cacao. You can use cocoa powder, but I always have raw cacao on hand because I use it for our smoothies and a lot of other things. So that's what I'm using, and just a little pinch of salt. You could add some espresso powder in here. You could add some vanilla in here. Just, you know, get creative with it. But then all you need to do is blitz this up, and you're going to have the most delicious concoction that you can either refrigerate for a mousse or you can freeze. I'm gonna put it in a Ninja creamy container because I'm probably going to use it for a mousse tonight for Tim and I's date night dinner, but then I'll take the rest and freeze it so we have a gloriously decadent chocolate ice cream that's actually healthy. This looks creamy and delicious already. Look at that. You get to lick the spoon. FYI, you get to lick the spoon. It looks like a chocolate pudding right now, and you could definitely eat it as it is. Oh, delicious. Avocados just neutralizes when you have it in a bunch of chocolate. It just makes it super creamy, super delicious. And I'm gonna store this in my fridge. Let me show you my avocado trick. So when you have a perfectly ripe avocado, but you're not ready to use it yet, like if you buy several avocados and you're like, man, now I have to make 2 tons of guacamole because all these are ripe at the same time, put it in water, cold water, submerge it, and keep this in your fridge. This will keep your avocado at that perfectly ripe stage for like 2 weeks. It's a great tip, so you don't waste any of your avocados, and you'll always have them on hand to make this wonderful chocolate mousse or chocolate ice cream. Hey there, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We love to hear from you. Let us know what you want us to make on TaylorKitchen, and also check us out at tkfoodie.com. Hey there, are you a small, medium, or even a large YouTube channel that's trying to grow your channel? Who isn't? Well, check out vidIQ. vidIQ I've been using for a couple of years, and they offer perfect thumbnails, titles, tags, launch times, all kinds of great things, plus wonderful analytics to help you grow your channel and your engagement. So if you're interested in checking out vidIQ, click that link below, see what they can do for you. I've let this chill for, about an hour. You can see that it's just creamy and it's set up and it's so luscious. And when I scoop it out, wow. You can see that is pretty phenomenal. And then you just need to doctor it up however you want. A little bit of a berry and a little bit of a mint. And it's just a really, really pretty dessert, but man. That is so good. Wow. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I'm gonna make Tim and I up a couple of glasses for our date night dinner. And the rest of this I'm gonna freeze, and then we'll put it in the Ninja Foodie for chocolate ice cream.